Welcome back to my channel, darlings. If you like the hairstyle, please hit the like button, hit the subscription button if you're new here, and don't forget to turn on the notification button. I'm starting off with my hair blowed out a little bit, and these are the tools that I'm going to use, so just watch through till the end. I try to make the tutorial as simple as possible, and feel free to repeat that section which you don't understand. You just have to repeat it one more time for you to get what I'm doing. To begin with, I made sure that I parted my head into two halves, then splitted those two halves one more time into two. Like I went through the center of my head to the back to form the two first parts. Then I'm going to go thereafter from one side of the ear through to the other side of the ear to create the second part, making a total parts of four. Yeah, you're going to do 4 parts to achieve this hairstyle, and on each part you have to make sure that you comb your hair thoroughly. If you're not going to flatten or straighten your natural hair for this hairstyle, you have to make sure you comb your hair thoroughly so that it could be smooth, especially as it's a jumbo twist and not braids. So I simply applied some red one wax, and I used a hard bristle brush to brush thoroughly before using these rubber bands to bind the hair together. You have to bind the hair together with the rubber band as many times as possible so that it's quite firm and wouldn't slack, and the hair is going to lay slick, especially if you want to rock it for a couple of days or even close to 1 week. So I'm simply just repeating the same process I did at the back, using my red one wax and the rubber band and binding it several times together. So I'm going to do this on the entire 4 sections to achieve the hairstyle one way. Yeah, just simply repeat the same process which I did on the first and the second part to achieve all the 4 parts being bound together. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to share with your loved ones.